The Spectrum of Science series, episode 4, Astronomy, presented by Scholarlink Online Tutors. Welcome back to Science Spectrum, where we journey through the world of science. In today's episode, we are going to uncover the secrets of astronomy. The science of astronomy allows us to explore the wonders beyond the Earth. It is the scientific study of celestial objects such as stars, planets, comets, and galaxies, as well as phenomena that occurs outside the Earth's atmosphere. It is no doubt a wonderful science branch that engulfs us in the study of the space. It is one of the oldest sciences, with roots going back to the ancient civilizations, which used the stars to track the time, navigate, and make senses of the world. As you all are familiar, that in the past, the stars were used to track the time when there were no clocks. So we can't say that it's a modern concept. It has started from an ancient civilization, that how to use astronomy in order to view the things of the well-being. Modern astronomy, however, is much more than just strategizing. Today, astronomers use advanced telescopes, satellites, and spacecrafts to observe and study the universe in unprecedented form of it. Various kinds of things are used actually, that because of the intriguing concepts and the vastness of astronomy, the concepts are increasing from understanding how stars were born to exploring the possibility of life on other planets. Astronomy opens up a window to the vastness of the space. And recently, many projects are running to study and to search for the other planets to have some actions like anything of life. The solar system, our cosmic neighborhood. Let's start close to home with our solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, moon, and other objects like asteroids and comets, all bound by the sun's gravitational pull. Yeah, now here is the thing including that the sun is also having a gravitational pull. Earth is the third planet from the sun, but there's so much more of our cosmic neighborhood. We have rocky planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and mass and gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. Further out, we encounter ice giants like Uranus and Neptune, and beyond them, the Kuiper Belt, a region of frozen objects including Pluto. The life cycle of stars. Interesting. One of the most fascinating aspects of astronomy is the study of stars. Stars, including our sun, go through a life cycle from their birth in giant clouds of gas and dust to their eventual death, which can end in a variety of spectacular ways. You know, nature's every system is going towards its end. Everything has an end. And the stars also face death. Whenever they're done with their whole duration, they are died. Stars form in massive clouds of gas and dust called as nebulae. Over time, gravity pulls this material together to form a protostar. Once nuclear fission begins into the core, the star enters the main sequence phase, which can last billions of years. Yes, you have listened carefully, that it is the billions of years. That's how the stars form the massive clouds of gas. And they are forming continuously. When a star runs out of fuel, it expands into a red giant and eventually dies. Sometimes in a massive explosion called a supernova, some stars leave behind black holes or neutron stars, some of the most extreme objects in the universe. They are interesting and people are searching about them. Galaxies, which are regardingly known as the island of stars. Our sun is just one of billion of stars in a galaxy called as the Milky Way. A galaxy is a massive collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. There are billions of galaxies in the universe, each with its own beauty. Galaxies come in many shapes and sizes. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, but there are also elliptical galaxies, which are more rounded, and irregular, which have no defined shape. So the concept that there is also only just a Milky Way is not true. There are a vast amount of galaxies, and now scientists are also saying that there are vast amounts of universe that exist. There is not just one universe, but unfortunately till now they haven't discovered the other universe. The study of galaxies not only helps us understand their evolution, but also gives us clues about how they existed. Black hole and dark matter, world's biggest mystery, that is always intriguing concept. As we peer deeper into space, we encounter some of the most mysterious objects in the universe. Black holes and dark matter. What are black holes? Black holes are the regions of space where gravity is too much. Dark matter, on the other hand, is an invisible substance that makes up most of the mass in the universe. Though we can't see it, we know it's there because of its gravitational effect on the galaxies. It can't be seen, but it can be felt. Of course, for sure, it can be felt. Because of the vastness of the dark matter all over outside, instead of the reach of the sun, far away from that, there is always a dark matter. Solving the mysteries of black holes and dark matter is one of the biggest challenges in the modern astronomy, because no one has come back from the black hole so that we can know that what's the behind that kind of the funnel shaped black holes. There are many mysteries about that, the expanding universe and the Big Bang. You might have heard about the Big Bang theory. Finally, let's talk about the big picture, the universe itself. The universe is constantly expanding, a discovery made in the 20th century through the observation of distant galaxies moving away from us. It is no wonder such a great thing, such a great discovery about the whole universe, with all its mighty, all its experiences, and each and everything regarding it. This expansion suggests that the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago in an event known as the Big Bang. Since then, it has been growing and evolving, and astronomers are working to understand not just where the universe had come from, but where it is headed, where it's going, how it's going to end, how it's going to organize. And yes, 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang happened. It's nevertheless a long time span. Now let's conclude the whole of the episode that astronomy allows us to explore the vast cosmos and ponder some of the life's biggest questions. Where do we come from? Are we alone in the universe? What lies beyond the stars? In the future episodes, we will dive deeper into the cosmic mysteries. Astronomy allows us to explore the vast wonders of the nature. So stay tuned for the upcoming experts and scholarly online tutors.